Welcome to the world of AI side hustles. It's like having a money-making machine right in your pocket. No technical wizardry or massive bank account needed. It's so beginner-friendly, even your pet goldfish could get the hang of it. The best part? You can start earning some extra cash without breaking the bank. Now, picture this, you create your very own AI employees for local businesses. It's like being a techie fairy godparent. You can charge clients anywhere from $300 to $500 a month. That's some substantial earnings with the amount of effort it takes, making it a lot easier than trying to get your cat to come when called. And guess what? The presenter is generous enough to share a free step-by-step course and handy templates to get you rolling. It's like having Google Maps for your financial freedom journey. No detours or wrong turns. This practical guidance means you'll have nothing holding you back from raking in the dough. Imagine this, your AI employee is like a digital butler, collecting essential data such as contact information and call reasons. It's like having a personal assistant who doesn't need coffee breaks. Business owners can follow up effortlessly, managing their clients like pros without needing to hire additional help. Here's the kicker, setting up the AI agent is as easy as pie, no advanced tech skills required. You don't even need to be able to change a light bulb. With free training resources at your fingertips, it's perfect for beginners ready to dive into the AI pool without worrying about the depth. Now, let's talk about future possibilities. This AI can even make outbound calls for appointment reminders, adding a sprinkle of magic to its utilities. Imagine the savings compared to hiring a traditional assistant. Your budget will thank you, and you might even be able to afford that extra avocado toast. The initial message for your AI agent? Oh, it's like rolling out the red carpet. It introduces the business and gently prompts the caller on what to do next, ensuring a friendly first impression. You know what they say, first impressions matter, especially when trying to sell cake, or well, anything. Information is power, and the AI agent knows it well. It gathers vital details like name, email, and reason for the call to ensure services are top-notch. Think of it as a digital detective, solving the mystery of customer satisfaction with each conversation. And here's a fun twist, users can customize the AI agent's personality and responses. It's like dressing up your assistant in the latest fashion trends. Tailor it to fit the vibe of your business, whether it's a casual coffee shop or a high-stakes law firm. When you stack the AI service against hiring a human assistant, the cost-effectiveness is painfully clear. Businesses could save hundreds each month. If only everything in life could be so simple, tackling bills and chores with a wave of a magic wand would be fantastic. And here's the cherry on top, the setup process for this AI service is quick and straightforward. Think of it as a one-time assembly of IKEA furniture, minus the extra screws. Once it's up and running, it'll keep delivering value like a loyal puppy, making it a smart investment for small business owners. So, whether you're a tech newbie or a seasoned pro, the AI side hustle opens up a smorgasbord of opportunities. It's your golden ticket to financial freedom, or at the very least, the ability to treat yourself to that fancy latte you've been eyeing.